String bike. The main feature of this futuristic bike is the total absence of a chain. According to the designer's concept, the bicycle wheel moves using several strings. When the pedals are pushed, the strings stretch, alternately rolling and unrolling on the pulleys on either side of the rear axle. The balance of the system provides a smoother ride and greater efficiency, and the string bike can go much faster than a normal bike. In addition, the motion is silent, with the exception of the tire creaking when in contact with the asphalt. The bike is equipped with a 19-speed gear system that can be activated during the ride. Manufacturers offer 4 different versions, which differ in weight, wheel diameter, and design. In its simplest version, this bike will cost you $1,000. Swim. This sports gadget is kind of a Google Glass analog, intended for use in swimming pools. These swimming goggles with a built-in projection screen are equipped with a small unit that sits on the user's temple and reads the heart rate during training. In addition to the pulse, the glasses also record and send to the screen the time of each lap in the pool, the calories burned, the duration of training, and information on 20 other conditions. The Zwim battery lasts 4 hours, and after training, the device automatically synchronizes with the smartphone and transfers all collected data to a special application. You can buy these smart glasses for $200. Bell. This gadget, similar to a portable speaker, is capable of synchronizing music playback through different brands of speakers, achieving high-quality surround sound. Bell can connect 6 wireless speakers simultaneously regardless of their size, Bluetooth protocol, or manufacturer. Thanks to an NFC module, the devices synchronize automatically when they're at a close distance. In addition to the controller function, Bell also has 2 wideband speakers and a 5-inch subwoofer, allowing you to use the device as a separate speaker system. The standard version of this column will cost $250, but you can buy a model with less power for $220. Alien earbuds. These waterproof wireless headphones stand out for their availability and economical price compared to similar devices. They also come with a charging case that allows you to store and recharge your headset when you're not wearing it. One charge of the battery guarantees 4.5 hours of operation. The main feature of this device is the graphene membrane loudspeakers that provide high-quality sound. Thanks to 3 different sized nozzles, the headphones can be comfortably placed in the ear and completely isolate external noise. To control playback, the creators have added touch panels as well as a microphone with a vertical layout to answer calls even in noisy places. The cost of these wireless headphones is $90. .360 Fly. This action camera with a 360-degree viewing angle lets you take high-quality videos and photos in panoramic mode. The device is equipped with a wide-angle lens, and the built-in memory is enough to record several hours of video in maximum quality. At the same time, the fully charged battery guarantees at least 2 hours of continuous work. 360 Fly has all the features of an action camera, including the possibility of attaching it to a helmet and various surfaces and being waterproof. In addition, the manufacturer provides synchronization of the camera with the computer using a magnetic charger. The minimum cost for such a camera is $300.